Hello students, today we will talk about concave mirror. So here I am holding a concave mirror. So you can see it is curved inwards. So this is the simple diagram of a concave mirror. This is the back side, this is the front side. Means this mirror is curved inwards. You can see here the mirror is curved inwards. Okay, so now we will see what type of image it will form. So you can see here it is forming inverted image. You can see the image of all the things here that is which are inverted, and here you can see erect image, and here you will see inverted image. So by changing the position of this camera lens from the mirror, I am changing the position of image. So here the position is inverted. You can see the inverted image of the lab. This is the inverted image of my face here. In this activity, we will find the focal length of this mirror. So we know that the concave is converging mirror, means all the rays will fall upon focus of this mirror like this. So we have to find the focal length, means distance from P to F, that is small f. Students, we are in the sunlight now. I am holding this concave mirror. You can see the reflection of the concave mirror. Here is the reflection of the concave mirror. Okay, now I will concentrate these rays on this paper. The rays are coming from this side and gets reflected on this paper. Here you can see. Now if I move the mirror towards the paper, you can see the size of the spot is decreasing. This is the minimum size here at this position, which means this is the focus of the concave mirror. We will check the focal length of this mirror using this scale. I have placed the screen at 0 centimeter. This is the screen. The rays are coming from this side. They will fall on this concave mirror and make the image on this screen here. You have to just see what type of image we are forming here. See. The image is getting blurred when I am moving the mirror towards the screen, and when I am moving away from the screen, it is getting sharp image. Here is the sharpest image. Here. Okay. The position where the image is sharp is the focal length of this mirror. You can see the scale. Here at 22 centimeter. The image is sharp. Okay.